Hello, my crafty goblins and ghouls. I sure hope you're having a bootastic day. This is the Good Witch Robyn Pitts from Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me on my crafty adventure. Today, I'm not going to show a new project. However, I have something that's almost as good. I'm going to show you how you can win more fun prizes in the Spooktacular Halloween series. I have 3 key announcements that I'm going to make in today's video, so you want to make sure that you watch and listen carefully until the end of this video. First, I'd like to thank you for leaving such wonderful and encouraging comments. It's certainly been a pleasure reading through them. A few days ago, I issued a personal challenge to all of my subscribers to help me get all of the videos that are featured in the Spooktacular Halloween series to over 1,000 views. Some of the videos have far exceeded my expectations. However, we have some that are still creeping up the line. I would love for you to go into my description box and look at my Halloween playlist. There you will see all of the videos featured in this series. Please take a look at those videos that need a little help and leave a comment. Each time you leave a comment, you get a new entry into the giveaways. By watching and leaving a comment, you help improve the YouTube algorithms so that YouTube will be more likely to promote my videos and more people can see my content. Next, I'm going to announce the winner of my 3D Haunted House Memorydex card. A few days ago, I told you about my giveaway. In order to participate, you must be a visible subscriber to my channel and also leave a comment on my video, and then go to Natalie Armstrong's channel, subscribe, and leave the following comment: Robyn Pitts sent me. I am so delighted with the number of people that supported Natalie's channel. However, only a handful of you actually followed the directions. Once again, you had to be a visible subscriber to my channel and leave a comment, and also a subscriber to Natalie's channel and leave a comment. So now I'm going to switch over to random number picker and we will select the winner. Before we select the winner, I wanted to show you a spreadsheet with the names of the valid participants. As I mentioned before, we had a really wonderful response with well over 50 people participating and commenting. However, only 12 people actually followed the rules as outlined. Now I'm going to switch over to random.org. This is a tool that will select a random number. Before we do that, I have to enter in the total number of participants. As you can see, we have 12 participants. So I'm going to enter that into the tool. And then I'm going to select Generate. And the winning number is 2. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. And it looks like Stephanie Paxton is number 2. Congratulations, Stephanie. Congratulations once again to Stephanie Paxton. You are the lucky winner of the 3D Haunted House Memorydex card. Please claim your prize within 72 hours. I will include my contact information in the description box below. My third and final announcement is, guess what? Another giveaway. On day 5 of the Spooktacular Halloween series, I showed you how to make these adorable cookie boxes, which also serve as wonderful embellishment boxes. However, I did not fill it with anything. I want you to tell me what you'd like to see in these boxes. In order to participate in the giveaway, you must be 18 years or older, a visible subscriber to my channel, and you must go to the Day 5 video, Halloween Cookie Box, and in the description box say, Cookie Box Giveaway, and then provide your 4 suggestions for what you'd like to see me make as embellishments for these boxes. Please only provide 4 suggestions. Once I collect your suggestions and have a chance to make the embellishments, I will fill the box, record a new video, and then select one lucky winner. You will have your choice of either the pink or orange box. This concludes my video today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully you've been inspired by the projects that I've created over the past 2 weeks and you're excited about the opportunity to win more fun prizes. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Happy crafting and happy Halloween.